missing a loved one is good because it helps us to grow. Saying goodbye is a blessing because it leads us further in life. To cry is better than anxiety. It is better to bring our wounds to our feelings rather than to the brain and to the intelligence. Because the person who cries is actually an authentic person. Salamat sa Diyos sa biyayang pwede pa tayong umiyak at hindi po nakakahiya ito. Salamat sa Diyos sa biyayang kailangan pang magpaalam sapagkat ang pagpapaalam ay bagong hakbang. Salamat sa Diyos, we still miss loved ones because in missing them, we understand that we are united in the same spirit and we live the same life.